is solar energy to you? Solar energy is the technology used to harness the sun's energy and make it usable. Currently, there are numerous approaches being developed for households as well as institutions to get energy from sun. However, there are still obstacles for solar energy power to fully seep into the global market. Hopefully this video could give you guys some ideas about solar power and help on promotion of using it. Many are familiar with so-called photovoltaic cells or solar panels, found on things like spacecraft, rooftops, and handheld calculators. The cells are made of semiconductor materials like those found in computer chips. When sunlight hits the cells, it knocks electrons loose from their atoms. As the electrons flow through the cells, they generate electricity. On a much larger scale, solar thermal power plants employ various techniques to concentrate the sun's energy as a heat source. The heat is then used to boil water to drive a steam turbine that generates electricity in much the same fashion as coal and nuclear power plants, supplying electricity for thousands of people. According to the Renewables 2018 Global Status Report, there is a rapid international growth of photovoltaic installed capacity from 1.4 gigawatts in 2006 to approximately up to 98 gigawatts in present year. Countries nowadays are making efforts on application and study of solar power system. In China, there is already an area of solar panels covered up to 4.42 million meters square, helping on reduction of coal up to 66 million tons and carbon dioxide about 142 million tons. Also, in Dubai, there is a project funded by Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, one of the rich entrepreneurs in the countries, about building the biggest solar thermal tower on the earth. This tower is expected to take over the job of producing 75% of the total production of electricity in Dubai by the year of 2050 and is estimated to produce 5,000 million watt within 1-2 years, while nuclear, thermal power and wind power system could only produce 900 million watt, 600 million watt and 3.5 million watt within the same period respectively. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy produces much less waste during the process of energy production. Therefore, it is the cleanest energy. It is also known as one of the safest energies as it does not need to be exploited or transported. Other than that, the Earth receives a huge amount of solar energy annually. The amount even could replace the job of 130 trillion tons of coal. Last but not least, the sun can last billions of years, and this means people is not going to concern about running out of energy, at least within few decades. Sunlight disperses everywhere over the Earth, therefore the energy flow density is indeed relatively low, about 500 to 1000 watt per meter square, which means it requires a large area of solar panel for receiving solar power. Apart from that, the weather condition may affect the rate of receiving sunlight if it's rainy and cloudy days. Lastly, solar power may not be fully environmentally friendly, as solar panels are not biodegradable, which may pollute the environment. Overall, although it has relatively low energy density and various disadvantages, solar power is one of the most renewable resources discovered so far. Nowadays, it is already being widely used by countries and households, and is estimated to benefit us for centuries and centuries. Here comes to the end of this video. If you are interested in exploring more about solar energy, please give a like and subscribe us on YouTube and WeChat. I would like to see you on my next video.